Hello, this is Chadwick Allen Austin back again with a little bit on an application you can upload to your server called Pagecrypt by Max, and also have a little bit about MD5 encryption. For instance, if you go to this website, and I'll post a link, it's from my own website, and you highlight from the M. These are all crypto receiving addresses and banking information for my customers to send cryptocurrency and Western Union funds to. So if you highlight everything from the first letter M to the last letter P in this address and copy it, you'll find here I have this 9C822428834 MD5 checksum. And you can go to one of these links I have. I had the first four pulled up. And you can enter your text. Let's see, hopefully, and that added a space or two, so there you go. You have the 9E822428345, the MD5 checksum hash, and you can double check it at another hash checker. Be sure that you're not pasting in a space. Press generate, and there you get it. Well, that one didn't check correctly. Sometimes if you don't check correctly, you have to go to spaces and things like that. So we'll try another one. If we get 3 out of 4, we'll be happy. So we did get the first paste correct on the first hash checksum generator, and we'll try again here. The backspace, and we'll press generate. This one usually works fairly well. And here you see we have the 9E822428345, which is the same MD5 checksum here, 9C822428345, etc. And that verifies that all this highlighted information is authentic to my MD5 checksum. I know there's other tools. There's a Google add-on you can use to be notified about changes in web pages and things like that, some add-ons. This has, for instance, my Facebook Pay address, my Borrow account number, routing and account number, my PayPal receive address, my Cash App hashtag, my Western Union NetSpend account, and the address they can send online Western Union transfers to. It also has my Block Card account, routing number, my BitPay Visa, my Ledger Nano S, and several other cryptocurrency addresses. So once again, as you can see, if you highlight, this is just an example of MD5 checksum and cryptography. So I'm verifying everything from my addresses and ways to pay, starting with the M, all the way down here to this last letter P that I'm right-clicking, copy, and pasting it in these MD5 hash generators. This is where you can find Pagecrypt at, and I'll show you what Pagecrypt is. If you go back to my website, chadwickaustin.com, and click on the star, you will be taken to this page. This is Pagecrypt. And as you can see at the address bar is a file called address 666-protected.html. Originally the file name was address 666.html. When I use Pagecrypt to encrypt my HTML page before I uploaded it, it password protected it. So I'll type in the password. Just for an example of, we'll try again. And there we have a success. And I have the receiving addresses for some accounts, mainly for the 1FEX address and the 79,000 Bitcoin on it. And I was planning on using some of these offline receiving addresses where I created the wallets offline, which I will go into a tutorial to do that, especially with the keep key and the Trezor. The keep key I find is especially easy to use, and I recommend the keep key, Trezor, Ledger, and SafePal, just so your cryptocurrency doesn't get stolen. I have all 4 of those wallets. So that's an example of Pagecrypt, and there it is again. And as you can see, HTML address is chadwickaustin.com/address666-protected HTML. And what it does is it encrypts your web page and makes it only accessible through the password that you specify. Once again, that's how that works. So you can, and I have on here again an MD5 checksum. We could check that, but it's just this information from uploaded the U to this B here, and you copy it and input it into the checksum again. So let's see if we can find Pagecrypt an example, and we'll just. I know Max has a website up. Here you can go. Let's see if we can find out so I can show you. Here we go at maxlawmeister.com, and here's an example. You just choose file, you upload your HTML file, you specify your password, confirm your password, and click submit, and it downloads the encrypted file. I have Pagecrypt installed on my website, chadwickaustin.com. Somewhere, let's see if we have it at Pagecrypt. And there I have a copy of Pagecrypt Password Protect HTML, which I downloaded off of GitHub at chadwickaustin.com/Pagecrypt. I assume since the file is on GitHub that it is of the utmost integrity and honesty, so I don't think Max Lawmeister is, including a secret code in his software to steal your protected information. So I think it's relatively safe. But just in case, I went ahead and put it on my website at chadwickaustin.com/Pagecrypt. That's all I wanted to share with you today was a little cryptography at MD5 and a little bit about that program, Pagecrypt. Be sure to subscribe and like. Follow me on Facebook, and I'll show you my Facebook page, which is Facebook, and my page is facebook.com/chadwick.austin.7 if you want to make friends with me. And if you'd like to check out my YouTube channel, you can do that as well. If you go to YouTube and if you search for Chadwick Austin in the YouTube bar, my internet is just a little bit slow tonight. Just wait for this to load. If you search for Chadwick Austin, Chadwick space Austin, you'll come up with my website, and it has a black background with a silver bird, like all of my videos do. So we'll search for Chadwick Austin, press enter. Here you see some of my favorite stars and celebrities: BB Rexa, the classic 70s hits, Angie, which has some excellent music, Destiny YYYX3, who's a terribly sweet, nice girl, and Rex, whom I know, and I know Destiny as well. So if we search for Chadwick Austin, we'll try one more time, and press enter, we'll come up, and here's my channel, Chadwick Austin with the bird. And just be sure and subscribe and like and follow. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson on MD5 cryptography. You can also use SHA 256, SHA 512, or SHA 128, or another type of cryptography to encrypt your web pages and verify their validity as original documents, or verify them as authentic information. Thank you for watching the video, and have a good night.